I'm just curious to know, as we grow older, we have different perceptions, or our perception about life and love and romance changes or grows in whatever way, as far as our experiences go, and as far as we see what other people go through. I want you to tell me, you've been doing this for so long, and of course, you've been tagged as someone who loves the best and someone who's the most charming person around. How have you sort of changed your perception of love in all these years, since your 20s, your 30s, and now your 40s?
I don't know. I've not. The one part I disagree with is that the perception of life and things around you, including love or relationships, change seeing the others around you. I don't think so. I think a relationship, or specifically love or like, is between two people. I've heard sometimes three also, but I've not really. But how many ever people? But it's normally, it's a very personal experience. And to be really honest, my personal experiences of love, whether it's romantic love or any other, even a mother-son love, are so deeply embedded in me as to what people would like and how you should be in love. I think when you are in love or you're loving someone in whatever relationship, the bottom line is you just be yourself. You don't try to, of course in movies, in a comic way or in a macho way or whatever, we do a few things which are a little over the top or larger than life. But personally, I don't think my perception of relationship or love has ever changed. It's just being able to, as simple as making each other smile a little and laugh with each other. And if you can do the basic, simple things of life, we actually lose out on love and romance when we start looking at the bigger things. कि मैं उसके लिए ये करूँगा, मैं उसके लिए वो करूँगा और ये चांद तारे तोड़ के लाऊँगा. I think love is actually resides in very small, simple things. Just being able to take care, or just listening, and giving a hug. I know it sounds a little girl-like, and I do believe girls know how to love better than men. So so it's a little girl-like, but I think my perception of love hasn't changed. It's not gone in any other space apart from the space that it just needs to be very personal, very quiet, and if you can just laugh with each other. So mine has not changed at all.